And reset. Hi!
Hi!
Good. Now let's throw one right to his face just for fun. Ready? Hi!
Hi!
Excellent. Notice how her foot and her hand land at the same time. Let's work on our center punch. Good. So for our center punch, let's work on making a correct fist. Say, hands out.
Hands out, sir.
Good. Roll the fingers.
Roll the fingers.
Good. Thumb on top.
Thumb on top.
Okay, so we do not want to be holding onto her thumb. If she was to hold onto her thumb and punch something, what do you think would happen? Yeah, she would probably break her thumb. That would not be very fun. Good. So again, let's say 1,
1, sir.
2,
2, sir.
3.
3, sir.
Now bring both hands back. Good. Now when focusing on punching, I know that it feels like you're doing a pushing method, but it's actually more of a pulling method. So we're going to bring this hand out nice and strong. Good. She's focusing on these two knuckles, the pointer finger and the middle finger. Good. She's going to pull this hand very strong, and she's going to pretend that her hands are on a pulley system, which is going to launch this one out. Ready? Pull and punch.
Hi!
Good. Ready? Pull and punch.
Hi!
Pull and punch.
Hi!
Pull and punch.
Hi!
Good. Let's add a stance. So step into your strong stance. Nope. Other foot. Good. Now she's going to step forward and do a nice strong punch. Hi!
Hi!
And reset. Good. Stepping with this side now. Opposite side. Step and punch. Ready? Hi!
Hi!
And reset. Ready? Opposite side. Hi!
Hi!
And reset. Let's do 5 punches with Miss Addie. Ready? 1.
Hi!
And reset. 2.
Hi!
And reset. 3.
Hi!
And reset. 4.
Hi!
And reset. 5.
Hi!
Good. And ready stance. Excellent. That is our center punch. Good. Let's work on that strong center punch. Now it's very important that when you start punching a target that you hit with the correct knuckles. That is your pointer finger and your middle finger. You do not want to hit with your pinky or your ring finger, as it can cause a lot of wrist damage. So again, think about the peace sign knuckles. Pointer and middle. Good. She's going to step into her best stance and throw a nice middle punch to his body. Ready? Hi!
Hi!
Excellent. And reset. Hi!
Hi!
And reset. Hi!
Hi!
Good. Now let's throw one right to his face just for fun. Ready? Hi!
Hi!
Excellent. Notice how her foot and her hand land at the same time.